Good morning, everybody. Good morning. We are live and ready to go. We'll be firing up today. Let me check the noise, make sure everything's good. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I'm looking at the INTC, possible short. Right here, it's a little bit extended. And I'm looking at this one right here, 277, shot back up here. We'll see how it's going to play. This is the tightest range for trading the morning. So we'll see how it goes. This is not a financial advice. This is just for trading and educational purpose for entertainment only. Your trades are your own. So good morning. Beautiful day today. Let's see if we can take this play. I like this right here. I want to see what happens right here. There we go. We opened up here. Then we open up here. So I'm going to wait and see. The futures are kind of opening up. So hopefully the market is rallying today. We'll see how it goes. I do like this one right here to be shorted. There we go. This one fired up right here. I'm going to give it a little bit more time to settle. Okay, I'm going to be shorting INTC here. Let's reload it. How it goes. And that is the wrong account. This is my swinging account. I'll trade that one. That's the wrong account. INTC. Man, we missed it already. Making $198. We can pull some more money out of this play. I don't know, I went that much in there. We'll take some profit right here. Up $200. Beautiful. some more. Okay. I'm gonna move my stop up here. We were in GG result. Oh. Okay, I'm out. Done like 200 bucks on this play right here. Not bad for the first 2 minutes. This one here, I should have shorted it right here. Way to capture $1 on it, couple of dollars. It's kind of late right now. I was gonna start loading up here, but I thought it's gonna push another bar. We captured all that drop right here from 138, 139, something like right to here. Not bad, not bad. Good start for the day, 200 bucks. Yeah, right now it's kind of close right here. Pull back a little bit. I'm gonna play this one. Let's look for something else. Same thing with Axiom. Strategies pumping. Nvidia looks good with the risk right here. I want to see Nvidia drops. Choose that bar. See how it looks. Stroll check. It'll, if Nvidia drops right to here and it holds or stays in the upper one right here, we might take it long. should be 214, 216. It's wide open. There we go, three tail bars right here, but it's still holding right here. Intel did not do anything yet. It's still in the upper 30%, which is good. What I'm looking for is a green bar, like a good green bar that confirms, says, hey man, like we're doing this. As of right now, this is all weak. See, none of these bars close. Like this one is a decent bar right here, but it didn't have any follow throughs. Nothing. Fake out, fake out, fake out. The same thing here. Not a solid green bar that tells us, hey man, we're going up, continuing. This is did have a little bit of follow through. 13 all the way to reach that even number right here. Target's 216. I want to see some solid green. I'm hoping doesn't do that. I want it pulled back. There's 50% on Intel right here. See if it maintains. If it's going to respect this bar right here. It's just the market is sideways today, no direction yet. See this bar, if this bar gets whacked, we're going down to here. That's 80% of that bar is gone. That is not good. Right now, anything is possible. Okay, did respect the 8 right here. Still, either bars are like are weak. They're all weak bars. These are like, see how the red is like, tells you I'm in charge. See how fat this bar is. Look how clean this bar is. There we go. The true colors start showing right now. If this bar get eliminated, that's not going to be a good play. But if it holds right here, possibly targets 216 on NVIDIA. So this is the 50% of that move right here. Right there, this bar right here. This is our bar. So that's 50% right here. This one collapsed right here. See it? Completely eliminate this. Just got killed. It did get killed, yeah. We're going down here. See, this one is holding off at that 50% right here. Let's see if it bounces up, takes this bar right here. I would target this number right here. Let's see. This might drop all the way to here. Fill up that gap right here. This is complete collapse. Here we go. Let's see NVIDIA if it's going to hold right here. If it's going to break this. This thing got damaged. Yeah, we're good. Okay. Let's see how NVIDIA does right here. Oh. It needs to respect this one right here. Right now, it's kind of like it took about 80%, but the 20 is right here. So see if this 20 comes in and says, hey, you're not allowed to go below this number. So we'll see. Futures went up and went down hard. So it's still good. I'm gonna exit here on my future position. I want things to settle. Oh, full fat bar might bounce back up. I'm out.
Order filled.
Trading the NQ mini. Nothing happened here so far. There's the 20 right there. Nothing happened. Comes the 8. See how it's. Always look at the SMAs if they're tilted like this. You don't want to do nothing. You're kind of in the trap zone right here. You want this bar, like a strong green bar, like wipe this bar off right here. If this move is long. This one needs to be taken out. Vengeance, like still here. It's 80% of that bar right here. It's still red. The chances are more down. The problem is you can't trade it because you got this one right here and you got this one right here. You're shooting power up. The power's up. You get stopped up left or right. Same thing here. You got the 20 right here, but you still at that 30% of that bar. So what does that tell you? This bar doesn't get taken out. This is going down. See if it's going to respect that 8 and just dump. Same thing here, see? Nothing. Shorts are in control. Longer stays here, the better. Might bounce back up. See? Focus on this because you have long accumulation. Very long accumulation right here. So far, it didn't break that bar yet. did wipe 90% of it, 80% of it almost. A lot of people got trapped right here. Give you one because this bar usually have follow through, but did have follow through, but everybody got trapped. They're all trapped here. And you can't take this straight right here because you got that 8, the 20 right here. Most likely it's going to 134.07. Just took out that green bar right here, but we need a bigger bar. By the time we get that bigger bar, it's just a bad trade overall. It's not a bad trade, it's just the location sucks. I can short right here. I should have shorted already. It's going to fill up that gap. 134. Let's see if NVIDIA fires, wipe off all this garbage. That is a massive failure right here. So many conflicts. This one failed. The second test. Futures fails to make a new high. Let's see. Maybe the NVIDIA will change the market today. Because that's the bar we're looking for on NVIDIA. See if it holds. Still have a minute. See how beautiful this bar is? Solid green. But we're going to see how it closes. Same thing here. If you combine those two, so two good bars right here. It needs to confirm. See? wait on this line to be broken. And this support to be broken right here. If this green gets taken out by red right here, we're taking this short. But if this red gets eliminated, we might bounce back up here. We got a neutral bar right here. See that neutral bar right here got broken? So he's going to push down all the way to that 20 probably. Or unless the top gets broken right here. There we go. Failed. Right there, you want that neutral bar to be taken. Be better for this bar to finish above this one right here. I took it long, and I'm going to take this one long too. I'm taking into long. See how these pan out. Stop right here. It's way above my risk. I'm going to move my stop above that bar right here. That's within my risk, 193. See if Intel, and I'm going to move my stop right here. On Intel. It needs to take off right there. Take some profit at 139.29. Just in case this bar holds. I took one off. See, we got whacked here. You don't risk that much on it. Just a solid green bar on Intel. Let's see if it gives us another bar. It should. Took profit at 100 right here, so let's see. This should not fail. Should get another push right up to here. 139.40. Intel's still thinking about it. Collapsed. Okay. There we go. Intel's going to take the green right here, hopefully. I'm going to take another one at 139.40. Pushed back, failed. Should have put my profit right here, see? Right there. I'm going to reduce one right here. Just don't like that. I do not like that pookie. Right here, this big bar right here is confirming the short probably. I'm going to tighten my stop. Break even. It's either going to fire up or fail. I don't care. Made some money out of it. Profit take is right here. It's a better target right here. Oh. Anyway, I was going to put profit take. I think I put stop loss. Took it. Missed that play right here. Intel's holding. See, like NVIDIA. It's still fighting right here. It's maintaining this bar right here. It's respecting this bar. So target is that. But nothing serious. This bar gets violated. It's display's no good. This bar gets violated. We're screwed. So far, it's respecting that 20. Here we go. I'm gonna take this long right here. I like it. Win 500 share. Stop right underneath that bar. Risking a little bit on it, but we'll see. Take profit right here. Depending on the move. Hopefully won't collapse. Fill back up. It was a good push, but it went back to neutral bar. We should have waited till that bar completely closed, but it did take off that rate right here, so I'm good about it. We go. see for the new height, new setup. Let's reduce this to just a hair. Okay. Oh, there comes the second test. Okay, we're making 130. Let's take one off. That's a solid green bar, beautiful bar right here. Should not be violated, so we're going to put a stop right here. We're 1-1. Risking $55 on this play, which is not bad. We go pumped again. We're making $145. We're right at the new high, so we take one off. Right there. I'm going to take two off. I leave 100 shares right there. Let's see now if it pumps again. Let's hope for that target right here. That 216. I don't know why it keeps exiting. And I don't fucking know why. I put a profit take right there, but it collapsed again. Anyway, we made another, we're up like 400 bucks so far, so still targeting that 216. See if this bar gets broken right here. This one got broken right here, so didn't make a new high. This massive bar just got whacked. So this is a possible short to here now. Same thing with Intel. Failed to make a new high. See how all this work got annihilated? So we're probably going to go down. I want to short Intel. Because this bar just got eaten. Let's see if this bar collapses. I should have shorted this right away. That should not happen. I was hoping for a breakthrough right here. If it breaks it by the third bar, I would have took it short, but I'm waiting on this level to be broken right here to confirm. But with this bar, it failed, and it's gonna rip all the way to here probably. See how this bar, depending on how this bar closes. Closed right here. It didn't do nothing. Still underneath the red. See it? There we go. Intel's going down. I'm going to short 200 shares on Intel. Hopefully we get it. Stop right here. Take profit right here. If I can get it. It's the pivot right there. A lot of support right there. Let's see if he flushes to our target. This market's whacked. Intel was short. See, everybody that was trapped right here, that went long, they're so happy they got their money back. Right there, they all sold, and that's why you see that freaking flush down. They were hoping for the 216, but it bounced back up, gave them their money back. They got the orders they need to short this thing down. Imagine you took that hit from here to here, like, you're so glad it went back $4. You surpass that red bar, I'll be reducing. I'm not gonna take the full hit. As of right now, we're going with the red. We can get that 100 and make $92. Okay, I'm gonna move my stop to break even. I'll just move it above this line right here. That's more, it's more of a, like a better play. We'll reduce one right here. Reduce another one. Let's see if it's gonna crumble. Okay, I'm gonna reduce another one right there. Because it did touch the support, it's almost got to our target, but it didn't. That's a lot of support right here. Finally, Intel's pumping. Target that right here, somewhere on here. Hopefully the market catch up direction right now. This gets taken out, we're going down, which is, I know it's at 80%, so we shouldn't take profit. We should take profit here because it's going to push hard down. So let's see. Risking 26 bucks on this play. We are 1-1, so let's move our stop down to break even now. This trade is free. Let's see. You want to be at break even all the time. 1-1, go to break even. Making 53 bucks so far right here. This is just getting started right there. See how close to the SMA. So you're going to have at least 3 bars. There we go. Making 86 bucks. $105. I'm going to take one right here. Like to take a profit at every $100. You can make that $98. Boom! Beautiful. Okay. That's going to give us another bar for sure. That is pure blood, bro. But that's the support right here. That's when it took off. So we're going to see. A lot of people took it long here. So it might bounce back up. Intel collapsed again. But is it still respecting that 20? That's the thing. Okay. Let's look for something else. Strategy. See what the market's doing. NVIDIA. Volunteer. Everything gap and crap today. Robinhood. Nothing serious, really. Tesla. Netflix. Everything is just collapsing. Things going down. See how beautiful that is. Boom, boom, boom. Red took out green right here. Right above the 200. It's beautiful play. Perfect. This one is going to slant to that 200. I'm not going to take it here though. Comes the drop, the retest. Fired back up. I like this Intel move. It dropped below the 20, shot back up, retested the 20 right here, got respected again from the 20. But the bar is shy. It did not take this red bar right here. Now, let's see if it's going to fail here. I don't like it that much because it's just sideways, man. No action. Gonna get butchered. Zcash go down. That's SpaceX. My God. What happened? 185. 186. 166. See how this one got, it would not break the 20 again. Shot back up. This is a good bar right here. Try to push it down, they failed. Let's see, but we still have a minute here. Need this bar to close. It's about 10 cents risk is not bad. This bar closes green right here above that red. I will not enter this unless this bar completely finishes. Is this thing going back to 135? Oh. How much I traded the living hell out of it. Here we go, 6 minutes left. Okay. See, this is what I'm talking about. See how close right there? This is red. First minute was green, the second minute was red. Look how it took it. It dropped. See if it takes this with green right here. That's 80%. So it's like, it's just shit overall. You don't want to trade this. They're going to take your money unless this broke it right here. Red, green, red. Now it's green again. So we're going red. If this gets taken, it should drop right to here. Somewhere around right here. 138. We're probably right here the first support, but it's just absolute garbage. All right, let's get out of this because it's garbage. We don't play garbage right now. The futures are dumping. $158. That's a major support right here. 154 and 158 are major supports for this. Imagine you bought at 224. Ooh. I didn't go to 224. I did go to 224, yeah. 226 actually. Oh yeah, you're in heaven right now. Crying your eyes out. All right, guys. We're up for the day. Might do some more trading. So we're up like 600 bucks. Not bad. I'll be doing 100 share trades, 200 share lots. That's it. Maybe 2 lots. I'm gonna be doing like crazy stuff, and hopefully we'll maintain this profit. Not bad. Have a good day, everybody. Thank you for coming.